How long have you been baking for, John?
Oh, mercy. I started when I was a young kid. My grandmother taught me to bake when I was a kid. But I've been baking professionally since 1984. 19, oh my gosh, 1984, that sounds like so long ago.
Yeah.
I started baking professionally when I went to Wamoco, which was when I was a junior in high school. So, and then my very first semester I got to do a wedding cake. My teacher, Mr. Luce, taught me how to do that.
Wow.
I had a real passion for it. Now, my grandmother was a farmer's wife, and she always baked cakes and cookies and pies for the neighbors and the family. And man, Christmas was always a big deal. So, that's how that went.